True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So right now I am in Negril, Westmoreland. So enjoy the ride in Negril. Very, very nice place to hang out for your vacation. So if you make a left turn, we'll take you to the Negril fire station.
Negril is a town in western Jamaica. It's known for its miles of sandy beaches on shallow bays with calm, turquoise waters. 7 Mile Beach, particularly the portion overlooking Long Bay, is lined with bars, restaurants and resorts, many of them international and all-inclusive.
Beautiful Jamaica, Negril, Westmoreland.
Negril did not develop into a vacation resort location until the latter half of the 20th century, primarily because accessibility to the region proved difficult. This issue of accessibility soon changed as in 1959 a roadway to Negril was created, launching the development of what was then a tiny fishing village. Around the same time, hippies and backpackers began to appear, gravitating towards the laid-back lifestyle of the area and the warmth of the town's small population. These people boarded with locals or camped in tents on the beaches. Their high on life mentality cemented the attitude and easy-going vibe that has become Negril. Their arrival resulted in the development of Norman Manley Boulevard, Negril's main thoroughfare.
So this is where you find most of the hotels in Negril. Yeah man, Jamaica Suite.
Famous for. Negril has some of the best spots for watching the sunset, right there on the beach, from your hotel room or a beach chair. This 7-mile stretch of golden sand and clear blue waters is the perfect place for scuba diving and snorkeling. Western end of Jamaica, laid-back Negril maintains the sleepy tropical charm that first attracted tourists in the 1960s. It's much more laid-back than Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, but also offers plenty of alluring natural attractions, both inland and along the coast. One of the main tourist attractions is Negril Beach. Also known as 7 Mile Beach, this stunning stretch of soft, white sand and azure sea fronts many of Negril's hotels and resorts and is one of the best beaches in the Caribbean. Besides basking on its powdery shores, other fun things to do in Negril include exploring the coral reefs, soaking in therapeutic mineral springs and rainforest waterfalls, hand-feeding hummingbirds, and zooming through the jungle canopy on zip lines. After a day of relaxation and adventure, head to the famous Negril Cliffs, where tourists and locals alike gather to watch divers plunge from the limestone peaks as the fiery sun slides into the sea. Find out more about the best places to visit in this tropical paradise with our list of the top attractions in Negril, Jamaica.
So on your left, we're just passing Margaritaville.
You need to hit up these bars in Negril, Jamaica. Jamaica's easygoing vibe and local rum industry mean that it's a prime spot for some excellent bars. Unwind as you sip on a tropical rum cocktail or opt for a classic red stripe. From live reggae to even a bar surrounded completely by water, these are some of the best bars in Negril, Jamaica. Get a taste of island life when you start planning your getaway with R.
So we are now in Hanover.
Hanover is a parish located on the northwestern tip of the island of Jamaica. It is a part of the county of Cornwall, bordered by St. James in the east and Westmoreland in the south. With the exception of Kingston, it is the smallest parish on the island. Hanover is the birth parish of Alexander Bustamante, labor leader, first head of government of Jamaica under universal suffrage, and one of 7 Jamaican national heroes. Its capital is Lucia. Hanover.
On your right, you have the Cool Runnings Water Park.
Cool Runnings Adventure Park prides itself on meeting and exceeding international standards. We are proud to say that we are members of the World Water Park Association and that our lifeguards are internationally certified. We are also proud that we have been recognized both locally and internationally for our high standards.
So on your left you have the Royalton Negril and also Grand Lido. Thank you guys. Thank you.